Stop settling for boring meal prep that makes you want to quit your fitness journey. We're hitting almost 60 grams of protein with this crispy garlic butter chicken and potato combo. It's crispy, it's buttery, and honestly, better than any date I've been on recently. First up, grab 900 grams. That's about 2 pounds for my friends across the pond, of nature's best carb, the humble potato. Keep the skin on because we're not afraid of fiber here, and dice them into cubes. Now, here is the secret sauce. Soak them in cold water for 10 minutes. Why? Because we're stripping away the surface starch. If you don't do this, they'll be as limp as my motivation on leg day. After the soak, dry them like your life depends on it. Water is the enemy of crispiness, and we want these potatoes to have more crunch than a gravel driveway. Use a paper towel and really get in there. Now we toss those dry cubes into a bowl and hit them with a light spray of oil. Now, the flavor squad. 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and some dried parsley. Get your hands in there and massage them. Don't be shy. Give them the attention they deserve. Fun fact, smoked paprika is just dried peppers, but it makes everything taste like it was cooked over a campfire by a lumberjack. Now spread them out on a baking tray. Give them space. If they're touching, they're cuddling, and cuddling leads to sogginess. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes. Once they're golden and crispy, let them cool completely so the steam escapes, or they'll lose that structural integrity. While the potatoes are getting tan, grab 900 grams or 2 pounds of chicken breast. Dice them into bite-sized pieces. Think easy to fork, not choke hazard. We're using the same spice profile as the potatoes because we like harmony. Now for the magic. 40 grams, 1.4 ounces of cornflour, and 60 milliliters, 1/4 cup of water. This creates a light batter that gets incredibly crispy without deep frying. By the way, if you're enjoying this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel more than a pre-workout helps a 5 a.m. session. Also, comment below. Are you a potato person or a rice person? I won't judge. Spread the chicken out on a tray. Again, give them room to breathe. We're going high heat here. 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes. Hit them with a quick spray of oil to help that cornflour hydrate and crisp up. We're looking for crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Basically, the opposite of my personality on a Monday morning. Now for the flavor bomb. Melt 50 grams, 3.5 tablespoons, of unsalted butter in a pan on low heat. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and a tablespoon of light soy sauce for that umami hit. Once it smells like heaven, stir in some fresh parsley. If you're eating now, toss the chicken in. For meal prep, put the butter in these tiny dressing containers you can find online. For the aioli, just mix 50 grams light mayo, 30 grams light cream cheese, 2 garlic cloves, and lemon juice. It's creamy, it's garlicky, and it's basically legal steroids for your taste buds. You can adjust the consistency perfectly with a little water. For storage, I simply fill it into a small plastic bottle, which can be kept perfectly in the refrigerator. Once everything is cooled and steamed off, divide the chicken and potatoes into 4 meal prep containers. I'm only filling 3 because I want to show you right away what the finished dish looks like and how to prepare it after taking it out of the refrigerator. You want to reheat the chicken and potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes in an oven or air fryer. Meanwhile, heat your butter in a pan and toss the chicken in as soon as it is crispy. Mix it, add it to the potatoes, and drizzle some of our aioli over everything. Now look at that. This is what happiness looks like. Each portion comes in at around 520 calories, with roughly 58 grams of protein without the aioli. Perfect for fat loss, muscle building, or just eating like a functioning adult. If you enjoyed this, there's another video waiting for you right here. Go watch it now before you accidentally order takeout.